Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. This game is called the Chain Game. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, guys, how this game works is you're trying to get as most triangles as possible on the board. But before I tell you how to play, let me tell you what you're really here for. You want to know if this is worth getting, or if you're going to get this, play it once or twice, and then you're going to throw it in your game closet and never see it again because you're bored. And I can tell you right now, that's not going to happen. This is a fun family game for everyone. The game advertises 3 years old and older, and guys, it's really that simple of a game. But even if you're older, this is just a fun quick game that you can challenge your family and friends to while you're hanging out, game night, whatever it is, and it's just really fun. Now let me show you how to play. So how to play is basically each player has a little tray, and you would fill these all the way up with all of your pieces when you play. And then the first player goes and they place a rubber band across 4 of these pegs. Now the rule about placing these across the pegs is it has to go across 4, and you don't ever want to cross one of the little hole pieces, okay? So for example, the first player might go something like this, okay? The goal is to form triangles. So the second player, he can do whatever he wants. Just to make this demonstration faster, we're gonna make it quicker. He might do something like this. And then the next player would want to capture this triangle. So he would go here, and let's just say that player was blue, they would go ahead and capture that triangle. Now the next player would go and they would see a triangle right here, and they would capture that triangle. Okay, and then so on and so forth. Every time someone sees a triangle, they're going to try to capture it. So that player right there would try to capture that right there, and they would get that like this, just like that. I'm going to continue real quick until the board is more full, and then I'll explain how to finish the game. Real quick, a player can get multiple triangles during the same move. So as you saw, that player just formed 2 triangles right there. So that means that the green player would automatically get 2 triangles during that same move. Another rule is that you can overlap rubber bands, you just can't overlap them all the way. So for example, if you wanted to do this, you can't do that. But you could do this or this because you're overlapping, but you're not overlapping completely. I'm not going to fill the whole entire board up with pieces. You have a good idea of how to play now. Basically, your goal is to just place those rubber bands, form as many triangles as you can. The game ends when you are not able to place any more triangles, or when the first person runs out of pieces. At that point, you would go ahead and count how many triangles everybody got. Whoever has the most triangles wins. This is super fun, super simple, yet it's very strategic. I mean, like, there's been plays where you can see I got 4 triangles on 1 rubber band. So this game's a really fun, strategic game to play with friends and family, and this is awesome. As you guys can see, it's a really fun game, even though it's simple. My favorite thing about this is that you can pop this out anytime. It's a quick game. You put it together, you start playing. It's just all around fun. It's challenging, yet it's simple. And I just really love that. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.